This video lesson will help you learn and practice the correct use of the preposition in place. She is in the kitchen. She is not in the kitchen. In city or country. He lives in Paris. He doesn't live in Paris. In room. They are in the classroom. They are not in the classroom. In month. I was born in March. I was not born in March. In year. He graduated in 2020. He did not graduate in 2020. In the morning or evening. I study in the evening. I do not study in the evening. In a book. I read it in a magazine. I did not read it in a magazine. In clothes or uniform. The boy is in a blue shirt. The boy is not in a blue shirt. In trouble. He is in trouble. He is not in trouble. In group or team. She is in the football team. She is not in the football team. In bag. The pen is in the bag. The pen is not in the bag. In car. He is in the car. He is not in the car. In water. The kids are in the pool. The kids are not in the pool. In a relationship. She is in a relationship. She is not in a relationship. In a meeting. I am in a meeting. I am not in a meeting. In mirror. I saw myself in the mirror. I did not see myself in the mirror. In hurry. She is always in a hurry. She is not in a hurry. In queue. They are in a queue. They are not in a queue. In physical discomfort. He is in pain. He is not in pain. In unsafe situations. The animal is in danger. The animal is not in danger. In media. He was in the news yesterday. He was not in the news yesterday. In upcoming time. I will call you in the future. I will not call you in the future. In conclusion. In the end, we won. In the end, we did not win. In circular position. They are sitting in a circle. They are not sitting in a circle. In time taken. The train arrived in 5 minutes. The train did not arrive in 5 minutes. In accommodation. We stayed in a hotel last night. We did not stay in a hotel last night. In music. He is interested in music. He is not interested in music. In market. I lost my key in the market. I did not lose my key in the market. In season. In winter, the days are shorter. In winter, the days are not shorter. In language. He spoke in French. He did not speak in French. Practice time. He lives in Berlin. I keep my phone in the bag. I was born in August. He is sitting in the chair. She came back in the evening. He came in a hurry. My father works in a bank. She graduated in 2019. I live in New York. We met in 2009. The shoes are in the box. My birthday is in June. She is in the car. He is in the basketball team. He was in the news yesterday. The girl is in a red dress. They are in the classroom. He spoke in English. We stayed in a hotel last night. He came back in the morning. So today we learned that preposition in is used for time, places, feelings and more. Now you try and write 3 sentences using preposition in and share them in the comments. See you in the next video with rule 2. Thank you for watching.